In the context of forest conservation, the present perfect tense is particularly useful for highlighting the progress and achievements that have been made in protecting our natural environment. One noteworthy achievement in forest conservation is the establishment of national parks and protected areas. Many countries around the world have set aside land for conservation purposes, ensuring that these natural resources are preserved for future generations. For example, the Amazon rainforest in Brazil has been designated as a protected area, helping to safeguard its biodiversity and ecosystem services. Conservationists have worked tirelessly to create and maintain these protected areas, and their efforts have made a lasting impact on the environment. Another important accomplishment in forest conservation is the implementation of sustainable forestry practices. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the need to harvest timber and other forest products in a sustainable manner. By using selective logging techniques, replanting trees, and protecting endangered species, foresters can ensure that forests remain healthy and productive for years to come. For instance, the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, has certified thousands of forest management operations around the world, demonstrating their commitment to sustainable practices. Furthermore, international agreements and initiatives have played a crucial role in promoting forest conservation on a global scale. For example, the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, include targets related to forest conservation and ecosystem restoration. Countries are working together to achieve these goals, sharing knowledge and resources to address deforestation, climate change, and other environmental challenges. The Paris Agreement, signed by nearly 200 countries, also calls for greater efforts to protect forests and reduce carbon emissions.